In this video, you'll learn how to install Claude Code behind a Windows firewall. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure a successful installation while navigating firewall restrictions. Begin by understanding your firewall or proxy settings. You can either consult your IT administrator or check your Windows settings directly. To do this, open Command Prompt and type netwin http show proxy. This command will display current proxy settings, if any are configured. If a proxy is required, take note of the proxy address, which may look something like http://proxy.com panny.com 8080. This step is crucial as it establishes the necessary connection details for the subsequent configurations. Next, you need to configure NPM to use the identified proxy settings. Open your command prompt or terminal and enter the following commands. First, type in pm config set proxy http://proxy.com panny.com 1880 replacing proxy.com panny.com 1880 with your actual proxy address. Then run npm config set httpm proxy http://proxy.com panny.com 8080 to ensure secure connections are routed through the proxy. Finally, type npm config set strict sel false to disable strict sl false to disable strict sl false. Each command will execute and confirm that the settings have been applied. Now it's time to install Claude CLI globally. In the same terminal window, type in pm install -g Claude Code Claude. This command initiates the installation process. If you encounter any permission errors during installation, you may need to run Windows Terminal as an administrator. To do this, right-click on the Windows Terminal icon and select Run as Administrator. Once elevated, re-enter the installation command as npm install -g Claude Code Code CRE unsafe permission restrictions. After successfully installing Claude CLI, you will need to configure your API key. Obtain your Claude API key from the official Claude website. Once you have the key, set it as an environment variable by typing setxc claude _API _key, your key here in the terminal. Be sure to replace your key here with your actual API key. If your firewall blocks API calls, it may be necessary to allow access to Claude AI, either directly or through your proxy settings to ensure proper functionality. To verify that the installation was successful, run a quick test by typing Claude write a Python function that reverses a string in the terminal. If the command executes successfully, it indicates that your firewall is configured correctly. If you receive an error, you may need to contact your IT department to ensure that att//api.k.tel.dead.ai is allowed through the firewall. If your firewall is particularly restrictive and blocks all connections, you can opt for an offline installation. First, download the Claude CLI package manually from the NPM website. Look for the .gg file and save it to your system. Once downloaded, install it locally by using the command npm install -gc. Downloads Claude Code K x.gg replacing x.dots. If you cannot access the API at all, you can switch to offline mode by entering Claude config set mode local, followed by Claude chat -offline to use the local runtime. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.